I figured out that when I just go in sync with my breath, so I'm focusing, and after about 7 or 8 breaths of my speed of breaths, that's long enough. And it may be more for you, but you can kind of tune in, and that's another way so you can stay mindful as you're focusing on your breath. Okay? Now, stand up. I just want to show you like 2 or 3. If I don't have much time, these are the ones I do. And that's most of the time when I don't have much time. What I want you to do is straddle your mat so you're able to extend. And I want you to put your feet wider than your shoulders. And then I want you to take them just a tiny bit further out. And then I want you to have your feet pointing straight forward, not out like this, but straight forward. So this is just a variation of the standing forward bend. What I'd like you to do is put your hands on the outsides of your legs. And we're going to bend forward again, only I want you to keep your hands on the outsides of your legs as you go down. Okay, so start out with an inhale. And as you exhale, just bend forward, but keep your hands on the outsides of your legs going down, wherever they can go. Whether it's to your knees, to your calves, to your ankles, to your feet. If you're already way at your feet, then wrap your hands around the bottom of your feet, around the outside. But you want to keep your legs straight. That's important. Not serious, just important. So you have your legs straight. Just go to where you comfortably can. Don't try and push too far. Breathe in and out through your nose. Relax your neck. Really relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Just enjoy this feeling of letting your body hang. Keep your legs straight. Don't try and do more than your body's letting you today. Now, wherever you are, what I want you to do from here, just kind of plant your hands wherever your hands are, and I want you to take half a step in with your feet, and then I want you to take your rear end straight down so you've got a 90-degree angle. You're trying for a 90-degree angle at your knees. So your elbows are inside your knees, and you're pushing your rear end down. You relax your neck, but keep that 90-degree angle at your knees, unless you can go way beyond it. Isn't that amazing? Keep breathing in and out through your nose. Keep your neck relaxed. So you probably are able to move your hands down some from where they were. And I want you to plant them right there. And again, keep your hands right there and slowly straighten your legs back out. Try to keep your hands right where they were so you're a little bit further than you were last time. Relax your neck. Breathe. Relax your face. Legs are straight. Now slowly bend your knees just a little bit and then slowly come to a standing position. Unless you like to feel dizzy and come up fast.